I invited Anne from marketing to tell us a little about our newest advertising campaign.
Uh-oh.
Sneeze coming!
Fire in the hole!
I think everyone might be overreacting.
Gesundheit.
Watch me get blamed for that!
Hold it! There's still time to invite someone else from marketing.
Ken is here from marketing to tell us how the sales of Doopies are going. I'm afraid it's bad news.
I've worked here a long time. And I've never seen anything go from good to bad so quickly.